Welcome to the channel where we unlock the secrets of martial arts and self-defense, cultivating confidence and strength in every move. Today, we're exploring 6 self-defense techniques that not only stand as the pinnacle of effectiveness, but are also incredibly accessible for anyone looking to empower themselves. Let's embark on this journey of discovery.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucia, a certified Krav Maga practitioner and a self-defense instructor. Over the years, I've trained countless people to stay safe and respond effectively in dangerous situations. I believe that self-defense shouldn't be complicated or exclusive. It should be accessible to everyone.
And I'm Antonio, a certified Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner and martial arts coach. My passion is teaching how leverage, technique, and mindset can turn anyone into a formidable defender, regardless of size or strength. Self-defense is about empowering yourself to handle whatever comes your way.
Today, we're teaming up to share some of the best and easiest self-defense techniques you can learn, no matter your age or fitness level. Whether you're walking alone at night or just want to boost your confidence, these skills can make a real difference.
Absolutely. We'll be breaking down some practical techniques from different martial arts so you can find the approach that suits you best. Ready to get started on your journey to becoming more confident and safer? So take a deep breath and let's dive in.
Krav Maga, military precision and efficiency. Imagine walking into any environment with the assurance of knowing you're adept at fending off any potential threat. Krav Maga, the self-defense system developed for the Israeli Defense Forces, provides that very assurance. This technique is all about swift, decisive action. It's not about tradition or sport, but about survival. Picture this. You're suddenly confronted by someone with hostile intent. Krav Maga teaches you to respond with a series of instinctive and aggressive counterattacks aimed straight at the most vulnerable targets. Groin, eyes, throat, these are the key focal points to incapacitate an attacker rapidly. But it doesn't end there. Krav Maga emphasizes situational awareness, knowing your surroundings and potential escape routes at all times. Imagine learning to use everyday objects as improvised weapons or leveraging your environment to gain the upper hand. It's not just about fighting back, but ensuring you can walk away safely.
Boxing, mastery of striking and defense. Now, step into the world of boxing, often called the sweet science. What makes boxing so popular in self-defense is its simplicity combined with extraordinary effectiveness. It's a discipline focused on mastering distance, angles, and timing. Imagine being in a scenario where confrontation is unavoidable. Boxing offers you a suite of strategic tools, sharp jabs to maintain distance, powerful cross punches to deliver impact, and swift hooks to counter unexpected advances. Every session spent shadowboxing or hitting the heavy bag refines your capacity for speed and accuracy. Take, for instance, the famed rope-a-dope that Muhammad Ali used. It highlights how understanding timing and strategic defense can wear out an opponent, showcasing the intelligence behind the art. Beyond physical skill, boxing builds mental grit and resilience. It's about staying calm and effective under pressure, an invaluable skill in real-world encounters.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ, the art of leverage and control. Enter the mats of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, the martial art that levels the playing field regardless of your size. BJJ focuses on ground fighting and grappling, teaching you how to gain control over a larger opponent by using technique and leverage. Visualize being taken to the ground in a confrontation. While this might intimidate many, a BJJ practitioner remains unflustered. Imagine seamlessly transitioning from a guard position into an armbar or chokehold, forcing an attacker to submit irrespective of their strength or size advantage. BJJ is about patience and strategic positioning. Consider Helio Gracie, one of the pioneers of BJJ, who demonstrated that smaller, weaker people can defend themselves against bigger adversaries by applying joint locks and leveraging human anatomy. It's a game of chess where each move opens possibilities to another strategic advantage, empowering you not through sheer force, but through tactical foresight.
Muay Thai, the art of 8 limbs. Travel with us to the heart of Thailand, where Muay Thai reigns supreme as the art of 8 limbs. This martial art transforms your body into a comprehensive weapons system using fists, elbows, knees, and shins. Imagine facing a threat where aggressive physicality becomes necessary. Muay Thai instructs you on how to unleash powerful knee strikes or deliver swift elbow attacks, both of which can be delivered from various angles and distances. Think about incorporating the speed of a punch with the force of your hip rotation for a devastatingly effective combo. Muay Thai's clinch techniques are also invaluable, providing close-range control over an opponent, all while setting up knee strikes or sweeps to ground them. The discipline experienced through rigorous training not only enhances physical prowess but instills a warrior's fortitude, teaching perseverance and adaptability in the heat of confrontation.
Basic self-defense classes, practical everyday skills. For those who seek immediate practical knowledge without delving deep into a single martial art, basic self-defense classes provide an accessible and effective alternative. These sessions focus on the essentials, easy-to-learn techniques that can be recalled even in high-stress situations. Picture yourself walking through a parking lot late at night and suddenly feeling uncertain about the person approaching. These classes empower you to react with techniques like wrist releases to free yourself from grabs or precise strikes to deter assailants. Simple maneuvers, such as a palm strike to the chin or an elbow to the ribs, can quickly dissuade an attacker and create your window to escape. Additionally, you'll learn situational awareness skills, how to recognize warning signs, maintain confident body language, and develop strategies to avoid dangerous scenarios altogether. The best part? These techniques are designed for anyone, regardless of age, gender, or athletic ability, making self-defense accessible and practical for everyone.
Kung Fu and Karate, traditional arts with modern power. Finally, let's delve into the timeless arts of Kung Fu and Karate. These traditional disciplines are often associated with discipline, balance, and precise striking techniques. But don't let their historical roots fool you. They're incredibly effective in self-defense when practiced correctly. Think about the powerful front kicks of karate that can incapacitate an attacker from a distance, or the flowing, fluid movements of kung fu that combine speed and unpredictability. For example, the classic horse stance builds strength and stability, preparing you to deliver devastating blows or defend against assaults. Beyond physical skills, these martial arts teach mental clarity, focus, and respect, traits that are invaluable for maintaining composure during a confrontation. Their emphasis on discipline and mindfulness can turn you into a more aware and confident individual, capable of responding effectively under pressure. So, whether you're looking for the streamlined effectiveness of Krav Maga, the striking power of Muay Thai, the leverage of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or the practical skills taught in basic self-defense classes, there's a path for everyone. Remember, self-defense is not just about fighting, it's about building confidence, awareness, and resilience.
Which of these techniques resonates most with you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to empower yourself. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future ideas that challenge us to think outside the box. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, and don't forget to always maintain that curiosity that drives progress. Also, explore even more fascinating content on our channel. From life-changing tips and cutting-edge technology, to the mysteries of spirituality, travel to various countries, delicious recipes, health hacks, and language learning, there's something here to spark your curiosity and elevate your life. Dive in and discover a world of knowledge awaits us.